Hello everyone, this is Mom Joy and I'm here once again to help you out in your next math journey. This video presentation teaches us how to divide real numbers. Before we move on to our main lesson, I want you to think and share your ideas about this problem. Suppose you and your friends bought equal shares of investment for a total of $15,000 and then sold it later for $13,000. How much did each person lose? You may submit your solutions by leaving a comment below, and I will get back on you to see your unique way of solving this problem. Please go ahead and make use of the keywords to help you solve this problem correctly. Please remember that to divide a number by a non-zero number b, multiply a by the reciprocal of p. So a divided by b is equivalent to a times 1 over b. In the previous video, we mentioned the rules for multiplying real numbers. Don't you know that the same rule is applied for division? So if the signs are the same, the quotient is positive. If the signs are different, the quotient is negative. Okay, let's see how useful the rules in doing the following examples. Remember, to divide means to multiply the number by its reciprocal. For a, 15 divided by negative 5 is the same as 15 times negative 1 over 5. Okay, so 15 times 1 is 15 divided by 5 is 3, and a positive divided by a negative will give us a negative. For letter B, negative 45 times the reciprocal of 5 over 6 is 6 over 5. Okay, now a negative divided by positive is negative, and 45 divided by 5 is 9. So 9 times 6 is negative 54. For letter C, we have 2 and 1/3 divided by 3. So first, let's rewrite the mixed number 2 and 1/3 into improper fraction. So 3 times 2 is 6, plus 1 is 7, and we have the divisor 3. Now we divide by negative 3 is the same as multiplying by negative 1 over 3. So now we have 7 times negative 1 is negative 7, and we have 3 times 3 is 9. So final answer is negative 7 over 9. Now for letter D, it's negative 1 divided by 2/3. So it is the same as negative 1 times 3 over 2. So negative times positive is negative, and since it's multiplied to 1, so we get the same fraction, 3 over 2. Very easy, right? Now let's have an example on how to simplify expression that involves multiplication and division of real numbers and at the same time applying some properties. So here we have 9 minus 27x divided by negative 3. So what's the first thing we need to do? Okay, so first we have to multiply by reciprocal. Therefore, 9 minus 27x divided by 3 can be written as 9 minus 27x quantity, everything multiplied by negative 1 over 3. Now what's the next step? We have to use distributive property, right? So we have to multiply 9 to negative 1/3, and at the same time multiply negative 27x to negative 1/3. Okay, let's do that. So 9 times negative 1/3. Okay, we follow the minus sign, minus 27x times a negative 1/3. Okay, now let's simplify. So 9 times 1/3 is the same as 9 times 1 times divided by negative 3. So we got negative 3, positive, and negative is negative. Now we have a negative times a negative. That will give us positive. Now 27 times 1 is 27, divided by 3 is 9. And then we copy x. So there you go. We have negative 3 plus 9x, or we can formally write this as 9x minus 3. Okay, that's all for the meantime, because I believe that you find this lesson very easy. So please go ahead and do the exercises. Okay, so you may pause the video to get all the questions, and please be honest to check your strength and as well identify the parts of the lessons that you need more practice and review. And when you're done, you may click the video once again and check your work. Now it's time to check your work. All done well? That's good. Next page. So I hope you find this video tutorial helpful, and I hope to see you once again in the next video. Bye everyone.